Adam J. Taliaferro is a member of the New Jersey General Assembly in the state of New Jersey and a former American football player whose recovery from a paralyzing spinal cord injury sustained while playing cornerback for the Penn State Nittany Lions gained national media attention. In the New Jersey General Assembly, Taliaferro represents the 3rd legislative district, which covers portions of South Jersey. A Democrat, he was appointed to the seat in January 2015 after having served on the Gloucester County Board of Chosen Freeholders for 3 years. Taliaferro was elected to his first full 2-year term in the Assembly in November 2015. In 2000, Taliaferro joined the Penn State Nittany Lions football team as one of the top-rated freshmen of their 2000 recruiting class. Taliaferro earned playing time as a true freshman for Joe Paterno's Nittany Lions, despite Paterno's well-documented tendency to redshirt freshman players. Growing up in Voorhees Township, New Jersey, he was a standout running back and cornerback for the Eastern Regional High School Vikings. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.